Worthington is one of the largest processors of flat rolled steel in the United States. We supply the automotive, agriculture, and construction industries, and we also supply the raw materials for coinage that get minted for many countries around the world. Manufacturing is a growing industry, and that's why we have to keep up with training our employees, not only bringing in talented employees, but also training our own employees for our needs of our equipment. We're thrilled to be partnering with Tri-C. They came in, they worked with us, they did a post-assessment as well as a pre-assessment. The pre-assessment really helped us to understand what our training needs were, and then they customized the training program particularly for our needs and our facility.
This training's really made a difference in the daily impact we see from our employees. The engagement has increased from them, along with their ability to apply their newfound skill set.
It trains them with hydraulics, pneumatics, and PLCs that are critically important to keep our assets in market-ready condition. We're excited about where this training program is going. It's a great opportunity for our company, as well as our employees, to be able to share in the training opportunities with Tri-C.